Okay, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Not sure how well you can see that. I can't see it that good. Anyway, light up this light bulb. It's a 2 filament, probably about an amp and a half or so. And there's the voltage. And again, I'm gonna try to do this by hand. You can hear the noise from the. Oops! I don't want this to come back at me. That's the problem. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to do this a different way. Okay. So let me get it around here. Whoa, yeah. This drill is gonna kick back on me. Probably better to do it with the torque wrench. Just start off slow. Wish I had an RPM. Yeah, I can only go so fast with it. Yeah. If I could do it, have somebody film this and grab the drill with 2 hands and make sure it's not going to kick back around and smack me. I'm sure this light bulb will pop. I've done it before. In any case, just wanted to show how low this part. I'm just trying it by hand right now, and you can see the light bulb just starting to come on. And yeah, anyway, I don't have too much strength with my hands, so that's kind of hard to do it with one hand and trying to film with the other. All right, so here's the 24 volt, and I'm just waiting on the chromoly shaft. There's a place nearby that's gonna take care of that, and yeah, it's kind of hard doing everything by yourself just to get this thing off. I had to weigh it down, and even then it was a little tough. There's no grease in there or anything, so there's a circ fitting up here, so you just grease it up here and all the grease will come down, grease the whole thing. Same thing with the yaw pipe right here. So yeah, just getting ready to primer it, paint it, and like I said, waiting on the chromoly shaft so I can make sure everything's aligned. So yeah. So I was going by, had to take my son somewhere, and I seen they put up a new SkyStream. They're easily spotted, you know, with the shape of the blades. So these have the generator inside. So I believe what comes out, excuse me, what comes out is AC, not DC. So I don't know how you would charge a battery unless you convert that AC back into DC. That wouldn't make much sense. But in any case, I looked these up and they go for about 12 grand. And it's a 3.7. Now I'm assuming 3.7 is the max. So that's quite a pricey item. Nice looking though. Not sure if these are downwind or upwind. In any case, here's an 8,000 watt turbine. Wow, 8,000 watt for $520. Yeah, great deal. Anyway, just doing some research on axial flux versus radial flux permanent magnet synchronous generators, and the results show that the axial flux PMSG is the best solution for micro wind turbine application. You know, the low startup wind speed, I've seen it start up as low as 1.5 to 2 mile an hour. So you may not be making power at that wind speed, but you will start making power at around 4 or 5 mile an hour, maybe 6. And one of the reasons is you have 2 rotors, so you have 2 sets of magnets, versus a radial turbine which just has 1 set of magnet. So you have more power there, probably double the power almost, I would think. But that's just my guess. But anyway, I mean, you could do the research yourself. The axial flux is just it's a much better turbine. more powerful, easier to start up. So for, what do you call it? For a micro turbine, for a residential turbine. Anyway, all right.